Thank you everyone for watching this video of the nature that's surrounding me. Yay! You're welcome. I just want to quickly send shoutouts to all these people. So give me. First shout out goes to Wolfie van der Westhuizen on Instagram. Yes! Thank you so much for liking my stuff. Next one goes to fashion photography from Duncan. Sorry, by Duncan. Thank you for liking my stuff. And then the favorite of them all, it's the bitch bruh. Thank you for liking my stuff, bitch bruh. Yeah. You're welcome. Someone from Facebook that I adore very much because she's funny as hell. Her posts are amazing. And her name is Zill. Thank you! Thank you for liking my stuff. Not watching my stuff, but liking it. Thank you. Thank you. And then last but not least, Nidov. I have no idea how to pronounce your name. Excuse me. Thank you for liking my stuff. Hope you guys have a fabulous day, and remember to like and subscribe to my channel. The links will be all in the description below. The music done by XimerTracks, and the inspiration for this video is from Zachary Livington. See Zachary's YouTube channel. Just click on that link, it will send you right to it. And if you want to see more of the music that I post with every single video of mine, that will also be in the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Okay, bye. I fucked this video up already. I need to redo it. Great. That is just